This is the real Tom Rose, and we're dealing with a short passage here, and it's a general question, very general. It says, which of the following expresses the main idea of the passage? It's important to remember that when they ask for the main idea, that the answer choice needs to be something which is not only true and expressed in the passage, but really needs to be in keeping with matching the overall sense of the passage. So it can't just address a tiny portion. And there's a bunch of great examples of that in here. So, for example, it says the philtrum is a vestigial trait. There is a spot in the passage that mentions that the philtrum is vestigial. It's right here. But it's really just a small thought. So this is a very small, specific thing. The whole passage is not about this. So it's not the right answer, even though it's true and the passage agrees with it and calls it out, and it is in there. So what I would not do is look for a specific proof statement to answer this question. Again, same thing with this. Dogs, cats, and monkeys are the genetic ancestors of human beings. This one's actually just not true, and the passage doesn't say it's true. So this is not true. This is true, but not general. The third one, the philtrum is little noticed but still important physical feature. That's true, and it's very general, right? So you'll say it's little noticed. They cover that a bunch of times, and if they say it's still important, they give many examples, right? They talk about how it allows us to make facial expressions that are complex and allow us to communicate. It talks about how it's vestigial. People don't think about it. It talks about how it's something that distinguishes us from our ancestors. This is lots of stuff. So it's true and general, which is what makes this the correct answer. The fourth choice, all mammals have rhinariums, but some are wet while others are dry. I'm not even sure whether that's true or not, but it's definitely not general. This is very specific. So I'm not, in my head, I'm not even evaluating whether it's true because I'm already sure that it's wrong. Dogs and cats cannot speak because they have wet noses. Cannot speak, this is way out of scope. The passage is not at all about why anyone can't speak, so that's wrong. And the correct answer here is the third one.